Hello folks, welcome to another episode of King Wheels. Volkswagen quietly, without much fuss, rolled out a planned update for the Touareg on many markets. Specifically, this model is the flagship, the most expensive and therefore the most luxurious, and the Germans are making big bets on this guy. It's noticeable that quite serious work has been done with the car, so you don't think the crossover looks outdated. Its appearance has been updated. Designers worked on the body kit, changed the bumpers, and added a little brutality. But most attention was paid to the optics. Now they look more like the optics of the ID family electric cars, with strict lines, emblem with backlighting, and a huge number of micro LEDs in each block. A total of 19,200 micro LEDs are used. This huge number causes a stormy brain reaction. Such a quantity is needed to realize all the functionality embedded in the so-called intelligent light, starting from adjusting the intensity of illumination and its density, and ending with selective illumination of a certain section of the road, all for your comfort. The Touareg is the first model of the company to receive such advanced lighting. In addition to the changed appearance, the Germans promise several new shades for the body and fresh options for wheel rims. Sounds promising. Already in the base, the client receives a roof load sensor. This is if you want to throw something on top. The whole charm is that the sensor works in tandem with the suspension as a common system, and the suspension compensates for the roll from the excess mass on the roof when passing turns. With the interior, the situation is absolutely different. Although it has undergone some positive changes, they are only negligible and did not affect the overall picture of the interior. In other words, it remained almost the same. Here, a digital instrument panel with a diagonal of 12 inches and a huge touch screen of 15 inches, by the standards of the class, are still used. Now such a combination of devices is available to all configurations without exception. Also, the Germans worked with their infotainment system. They updated it, added charging ports of USB at 45 watts and premium Dynaudio acoustics with a power of 370 watts. The updated Touareg offers a choice of 5 power units. It all starts with a gasoline-shaped Turbo 6 with a volume of 3 liters and a power of 340 horsepower. It is a good basic option that gives a full range of sensations. If you are diesel lovers, Volkswagen is ready to offer a 3-liter turbo diesel V6, available with 2 levels of boost. The initial level gives out 231 horsepower, and a more powerful version provides a return of 286 horsepower. There are also 2 hybrids, both consisting of the familiar gasoline-shaped 6 with a volume of 3 liters and an electric motor. The base unit gives out 381 horsepower. And its more powerful, advanced version is installed on the flagship Touareg and provides it with a return of 462 horsepower. On paper, everything looks very brisk. Apart from the V6, the Touareg does not offer anything else, and all configurations come with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. As for the prices, the Germans value the basic Touareg at 69,200 euros, and the top modification, the Touareg R with a hybrid power unit, will cost you 93,008 euros. Friends, before we continue, I would like to remind you of my second music channel where I publish my original music. If you are interested, follow the link in the description and join. Skoda presented its Mercedes Maybach. The talk is about the new top-end configuration of the ENIAC electric crossover. Such a configuration is called Lauren and Clement, named after the founders of the company. So, Skoda has its own Maybach. Of course, it is not as luxurious for connoisseurs of the upper premium, but it is still the most luxurious modification in the model line. It all starts with the exterior, or rather with new bumpers that feature accents in platinum gray color. In this version, a plastic plug crystal face with backlighting and all the bells and whistles is used, probably counting on the Chinese market, where such trinkets are very much loved. As befits the most luxurious version, such an Enyaq in the base offers a bunch of additional options and LED optics, as well as a couple of exclusive shades for the body. Where would we be without it? All this feast of luxury ends with new 20-inch wheels. For an additional fee, you can even install a 21-inch wheel variant on your beauty. If you can still find fault with the exterior changes, the interior is on point. It's the same as the standard Enyaq, but the very color palette and quality of finish is delightful. Soft beige shades harmoniously blend with the black elements of the cabin, and the front seats with ventilation, heating, and massage will enhance the positive emotions from contact with this car. Unfortunately, rear passengers do not have such perks. Add to this the most advanced multimedia system from Skoda, the Skoda CI, which will be integrated into all new models of the company in the future. The luxurious Enyaq will evoke a whirlwind of emotions in you. Its mission is comfort, but one electric motor with a power of 285 horsepower, borrowed from the Volkswagen ID.7, will provide you with acceleration to the first 100 in 6.7 seconds in a rear-wheel drive performance. And there is also a four-wheel drive modification capable of performing the same discipline in 6.6 seconds. The company assures that they have worked on the electric car's range, and now it can travel 560 kilometers on a single charge. Moreover, it supports fast charging, where in just half an hour, you can replenish the battery charge from 10 to 80%, which is very good. The company has announced prices for luxury electric cars, but they will obviously be higher than for the standard version of the crossover. Well, that's all for today. Friends, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos. And don't forget about our Instagram page, which is available through the link in the description. Good luck to everyone and see you soon.